What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got some bacon strips right here. Can anyone guess what we're doing? I toasted these heel pieces because I don't mind the fucking heel when everybody else does, so I just fucking eat them. Get them out of the way for people. Toasted these up. Put some of this on there. Queso dip. It's spicy cheese. Doing a turkey sandwich today. Watch like a pro. I just dropped the bread under the broiler to heat that cheese, but this stuff's going on there as well. Got the boar's head turkey, the good shit. Look, not even half a pound. It was that fucking much. Cause it's fucking cron. Yeah. Okay, that cheese is warming up. We're gonna start hooking it up. Just want to show you this turkey right here. I think I asked for 5 slices. They're freaking huge. Delicious looking. So I put 1 slice down. Then stack that bacon on there. Another slice up on there, like a pro. And that other slice of bacon on there. Get some mayo down. I didn't like mayo for the longest time, but it's kind of growing on me a little bit. And then the mustard, spread it around with the knife. And then some black pepper, and I put a sprinkle of some Himalayan pink salt to bring out all these flavors. And there we go, you guys. Friggin' turkey sandwich. I don't need lettuce on there, no big deal. Check out those layers. Yeah, I'm gonna dig in, you guys. Thanks for checking in. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. And please watch this next video on the screen. I love you guys. Have a good one. Peace.